chance of showers in the evening, then a slight chance of showers. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Volusia Brevard County Line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Grand Valkyria, or over Barefoot Bay, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Floridana Beach, Melbourne Shores, Grand Valkyria, Barefoot Bay, and Mico. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent cloud-to-water lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck and, if possible, avoid ungrounded metal objects. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm.